Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. Today's wig is from Luvmehair, of course. So this wig is called My Own Fit Partingmax Glueless Wig, 180% density, loose body wave, ready to go, 7x6 HD lace closure that comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. I have this wig in 24 inches and in 180% density. Now, as far as this wig cap, you guys, it's a 360 dual direction design, which makes it a lot more comfortable, a lot easier to adjust depending on your head shape and size. It's very stretchy, and of course the wig cap in itself does come with the elastic band, as well as the Invisi drawstrings as well. That way you can tighten the entire circumference of the wig. And lastly, in regards to this wig cap, it is supposed to be very breathable, which we all love, especially if you are like me and sometimes you like to wear wigs in the summer and all that good stuff. So you're getting a lot of perks when it comes to this particular wig cap in itself. And again, the wig in general is a ready to go pre-styled wig, which we all love. Okay, let's get started. I tightened my adjustable strap all the way to the tightest setting, which is what I was showing you guys there. I went ahead, added foundation on that lace, threw the wig on, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and get all of the unnecessary hair out of my face. That way I could kind of give you guys a more clearer view of that lace and see what I'm working with. As you can see, this lace looks really good, and we didn't add any additional product or foundation just yet. I'm going to go ahead and utilize these Invisi drawstrings, and this is going to tighten the entire circumference of the wig, which definitely comes in handy. And then after I tighten it, I like to just go ahead and hide the strings in my wig cap. So you guys know me, I like to add a little bit of product on my lace, so the lace is just doing its thing right now. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and touch up the rest of the hair. I utilize my wax stick and my hot comb per the usual, and I really want to make sure the top of this wig is laying flat. Now obviously she comes pre-curled and she's very bouncy and she's very silky, as you guys can see. So if you decide to just leave it as is, you are more than welcome to, but I decided just to touch up a couple of pieces with my curling iron. Now the hair reacted to the heat very well. It wasn't burning, it didn't have a weird smell, it didn't change color, hair wasn't falling out or anything crazy like that. So it was of good quality to me. And of course, I'm just adding some more foundation on that lace to make sure everything is blended and she looks really, really, really good. All right, just like that, you guys, we are all done. As you can see, I didn't do much, and if you prefer to do even less than I did, you can go ahead, sis, because technically you didn't really need to add any spray. You don't need to use glue, maybe a little bit of foundation. I'm always an advocate for foundation, but this is an HD lace, so you don't have to do too much. She comes styled, so if you don't want to touch up any pieces, or if you feel like she looks great, then that is completely on you. But as you guys saw, I did not do much at all. The hair behaved very well. I was very happy with it, especially the final look. I think it looks really classy. It's very flowy. It looks so nice. Make sure you guys click that link in my description box and be sure to use my discount code. I'll see you next time.